This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina 28025 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Concord. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.